So this is my new LG Puricare Mini. I absolutely love this mini air purifier because it is powerful yet portable.
As you can see, it comes in both a white and black color, and it just looks super sleek like LG's design, but in terms of functionality, it is the perfect product for any small space or office.
Just sit in here right next to my bed and my desk because that's where I hang out the most. Probably while you're watching this too, the air quality here and everywhere is not great.
What this is able to do is provide you with cleaner air, and just from this unit itself, it is able to provide you with up to 8 hours with the built-in battery, and it recharges via USB Type-C. It weighs just about 1 pound, so you can throw it in your bag and take it with you everywhere, and is like the same size of a 500 milliliter water bottle.
So it was really easy to take on my move or wherever I go. So it'd also be super helpful if you're going to a dorm or anything like that.
Especially right now, I feel like this is a great product for anybody who is working from home or just needs like a good way to keep their air clean around the house, because it eliminates up to 99% of all dust particles, allergens, and more. It is certified by Intertech to remove 99% of 0.3 micron ultrafine dust.
It is super powerful and quiet, which is super helpful because I always have it running like while I'm asleep and stuff.
Very easy to use, and it can also connect to your phone through Bluetooth. So to use it, go ahead and press the button, it will turn on, and it has a 4-color LED indicator up here that goes from green when the air quality is cleanest and red when it's at its most polluted levels. And it also has access to the filter just by opening this up right here and taking that out. They're just super portable. Throw it in your bag, take it with you, put it on your desk or anything you want. It just stays out of the way, but at the same time is actually a pretty good decor piece.